Pradesh Infrastructure Welfare Push, Powering New India's Development Breakthrough. Yogi Adityanath. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath announced the development of infrastructure projects, public welfare schemes, making Uttar Pradesh a breakthrough for the development of New India. The state aims to have 21 airports soon and has been an increase in power generation capacity, solar energy projects and tourism. तो हमने बता दिया कि 21 एयरपोर्ट्स बनने वाले हैं and increase in power generation capacity, solar energy projects and tourism. The government is also focused on improving law and order. Law and order भी सुधार रहे हैं हम and creating a secure environment for common people. महाकुंभ 2025 in Prayagraj is expected to be grander than 2019. With the launch of the infrastructure projects and public welfare scheme, New Uttar Pradesh is making a breakthrough for the development of New India, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath said in the State Assembly on Wednesday. The state government has given momentum to the development of land, water, air infrastructure facilities. Soon, Uttar Pradesh will become the first state in the country to have 21 airports, he said, replying to the motion of thanks in the governor's address. After the construction of Purvanchal Expressway, Bundelkhand Expressways, Gorakhpur Link Expressway, Balia Link Expressway, Chitrakoot Link Expressway will be built soon. And before Prayagraj Mahakumbh in early 2025, the government is trying to open the Ganga Expressway. The Lucknow-Kanpur Link Expressway is being constructed with the assistance of the central government, he said. In 2017, only 2 airports in Uttar Pradesh, Varanasi and Lucknow, were fully functional. Today, 10 airports are operational with 150 flights to over 75 destinations. The Chief Minister asserted 150 flights to over 75 destinations. The number of air passengers has increased 100 times from 2016 to 17 The Inland Waterways Authority has been formed for connectivity through rivers. ठीक है, the Inland Waterways Authority has been formed to connectivity through rivers, and the construction work for the multimodal terminal has been completed in Varanasi. Multimodal terminal. In 2016-17 Uttar Pradesh total power generation capacity was 5600 megawatt, he said. At present, the total energy capacity has reached 8688 megawatt. By the end of this year, our power generation capacity will reach 12800 megawatt. In 2017 electricity supply had reached 1,28,494 villages. Last year, electricity was supplied to 2,49,818 villages. It clearly shows that 100% hamlets have been electrified, he said. Till 2017, the total installed capacity of the solar energy projects was 288 megawatt. Today, it has increased to 2596 megawatt. Solar energy based power projects have increased 10 times in the last 7 years, while Ayodhya and Kashi are being developed as solar cities. Bundelkhand Expressway is being operated as solar expressway. A 10-kilometer road in Ayodhya have been illuminated by solar smart street lights, which is world records, he said. Emphasizing good governance, improvement in law and order, and zero tolerance policy towards crime. The Chief Minister said the government has taken many important steps to create an environment of security among the common people. Police commissionerates have been made in the Lucknow, Gautam Budh Nagar, Kanpur Nagar, Varanasi, Agra, Ghaziabad, Prayagraj. Cyber Cells is operational in 75 districts. The process of establishing advanced cyber forensic lab at Cyber Crimes Headquarters, Lucknow, Basic Cyber Forensic Lab, and 18 regional police stations and 57 district cyber crimes stations is in progress. Today, Uttar Pradesh has emerged as the role model in the direction of crime eradication across the country, he said. Role model. And the Mahakumbh 2025 in Prayagraj will be held in more grand and divine manner than 2019. We are estimating that twice as many devotees will attend the 2025 Kumbh as compared to Kumbh 2019. Has already started to develop infrastructure facilities for them. 9 ROBs has been constructed. Work has been done to build a new civil terminal widening and strengthening of more than 250 roads has been done. Um, 1,14,500 toilets were constructed, he said. Today, Uttar Pradesh has reached the number one position in tourism. Lakhs of people are getting employment opportunities and the economy of UP is growing. The state government has launched Ayodhya Tirth Development Council, Shri Devi Patan Tirth Development Council, Braj Tirth Development Council, Vidya Dham Development Tirth Council, Shak, uh, Shukra Tirth Development Council, Chitrakoot Dham Tirth, and Nemashiyai Dham Tirth Development Council for systematic development of religious places, he said.